Girl, she is a grown one. We got a little ponytail back here now. She's growing.
Hey, yo, bitch. Hey, cold out wristbands looking like a hitman, but a nigga tryna hit a lit man. Took her to the bathroom, fucking through the zip man, left her leg shaking like the crib dance.
Guys, it's Dreamer Drea here, back at it again with another video. But today's video, I'm doing a Valentine's Day look. It might be one of a few. I don't know. Let's see how this goes. So we have a few hearts over here on the cheek. We have a nice mauve-y pink lip, glossy as well. And we just have, you know, some pink and some white going on in the eyes. This look could be for anything. If you want to go on a date, if you just want to go to a Valentine's Day party, or if you just want to hang out with some friends and just look dramatic on Valentine's Day, you know. And also, my hair is pink. This was an accident, but it was a happy accident because it was supposed to be orange. But we're not even gonna go into that. But I just paired this makeup look with some earrings, some heart-shaped earrings that says love on it. It's gold. I'm also wearing this jacket I got from Forever 21. It's like a very, very pale light pink color denim jacket and a plain t-shirt with some plaid bottoms. Some, what is it called? Glen plaid bottoms? Yeah, and some red shoes. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get on to it. Boop. First, I'm taking this medium dark pink and packing it into my crease. Make sure to wing it out. Now I'm taking this brighter hot pink and packing it right on top. Taking Realger on a fluffy brush, blend it right on top of those pinks. Taking Love Letter on a more dense fluffy brush, blend it right under those hot pinks. Reblend as you go. Make a wing cut crease using concealer.
If you ain't here for love, don't you dare stay. Put some time aside, I said vibes in LA.
Make sure to blend it out.
It's cold, but I know that I wanna.
On a flat brush, pack on a lighter pink.
So I think you should fuck with me, yeah.
Pack on another shade of pink, just a little bit darker.
Everything you need, yeah. Need you in my reach, yeah. You know I fall really, really deep, yeah. You can put your love in where I speak, yeah, baby. I belong to you.
Pack on that hot pink. Pack on the other hot pink too. Take that Venetian red and, well, you already know. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, subscribe by clicking down below. Yeah, I'd really appreciate it. Also, like and comment and share this video. you know, help a sister out. Now, taking the white liner, you just want to draw a white line on that crease. Also create other lines around that crease line. Don't make the lines too thick like I did. That was an accident. On a small fluffy brush, take Vermeer and put it on the brow bone. Use a volume mascara and put that on. Then use a length mascara and put that one on top. Love you, I need you here with me all the time. Baby, we meant to be, you got me. I chose these long but natural looking lashes. And I also did the rest of my makeup off camera. Take Love Letter and put that on your waterline. Do the same with Real Girl. And the same with the Hot Pink. Just to be different, I took the Hot Pink and started putting it on my contour. Take the Vermeer and put it in the inner corners of your eyes. Forgot to do my blush, so I'm just doing it here. After spraying, I took Eclipse and put it on for highlighting. Ooh, I look bad. Ooh, oh my, ooh, ooh. Your girl looking like a baddie over here. Your girl feeling herself over here anyway.
Boy, if you don't...
I really don't know why I'm like this. I was just feeling myself a little too much. Now I'm just wiping off excess from my lips. Taking a brown shade, I'm just lining my lips. Now I'm taking this ultra matte lip shade called Tulle by Colourpop and filling in my lips. Over that, I'm putting on this satin lip gloss. Okay, you cute or whatever, but...
You thought it was over.
Use a white pencil for your waterline, then a black for your lash line. Then take a red liquid lipstick and a small angled liner brush and draw on 2 hearts onto your cheek, like I'm doing here. I'm feeling you the one that I'm loving. Ain't no other niggas like you. It's just one. No, baby, just one. I bet you wanna know. Finito. And this is the end of the look, so hope you guys liked it. It's just kind of simple. The only thing I didn't like about it was probably like this eyeliner, because this is new to me. I've never tried white eyeliner. I think this light's so cracky and bad, but I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and comment and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you click that post notifications bell so you can know when I'm uploading. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.